In this video, we will learn how to share your calendar in New Outlook. So let's start. Open your New Outlook, and here you can see the left hand side have a apps icon. Just click on the calendar icon, and here the calendar is open. And go to the home tab. In home tab, just go to the share group. Click on the share calendar option. Just click on it, and here the sharing and permission dialog box is open. Here the calendar sent a sharing invitation in email. So here you are going to send the invitation in email to share the calendar. Okay, so you can choose the how much access to allow and change the access settings anytime. So you can change the settings also. So enter the email address here. So I just enter here the ABC and select here the email address, and here have a two option. Just click on this drop down arrow. You can give the permission, can view all the details. Okay, you can give the permission, you can give the permission to other person to edit your calendar also. So I just give them to view all the details and click on the share option. Okay, after that you can see the currently sharing with the email id is mentioned, and here if you want to remove this sharing, you can anytime remove this sharing. Just click on this remove option. If you want to give the different permission, you can change here the permission also. Okay, after this sharing calendar. Okay, so this is a way you can share the calendar to other person in New Outlook. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.